Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reset the maintenance warning on the Toyota RAV4. This is the 2021. It's also applicable on the 2019 and up. So this maintenance warning shows up usually every 5,000 miles. It is programmed on the computer of the car to show up or give you that warning every 5,000 miles. So sometimes even if you go to the dealership to get your oil change done, it still shows up because sometimes they forget to reset that warning. So I'll show you how to quickly reset it. Come on. Okay, so now we're inside the car. First thing what we're gonna do here, if you have a push start, don't step on your brake while doing this. So we're gonna need to press the start button twice to put it on ignition. Okay, as you see, it's on ignition. And if you have the key, just put it into accessory. You should be good. All right, now you see the message, maintenance required. Visit your dealer. All right, so to reset this one, first let's press the back button, and as you can see, it's gonna go to the main display, and we're gonna go to the settings, to the gear icon, then scroll down. We're gonna select vehicle settings. Let's hold this, so we're holding the OK button while doing that. So we're gonna press that, hold it, and then that one shows up. Scroll down to schedule maintenance. We're gonna push OK to reset. We're gonna reset data, reset complete, and it should be good. That should reset it. It should not show anymore. So just to test it out, we're gonna turn off the car, and then we're gonna turn it back on. All right, okay, pressing the push start again twice. All right, let's see if the message still shows up. Nope, it's gone. So there you have it. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, share the video. Again, thank you for watching.